Alright guys, it's been quite a while with the winter season and everything. I actually had a new addition to the family early on, so took a little break from posting anything, but figured it was a good time for a bike check. So this is my GT Aggressor Pro. Alright, so I guess we'll just go top to bottom with everything. I got the fun, full-on handlebars. Cut them down just a little bit. I want to say they're like 760 now. I have specialized lock-on grips. Get that to focus. There we go. I'll try this side. There we go, the specialized lock-on grips. That won't come into focus here. You can see the S. If I can get it, there it is. I got the Shimano Mt 200 brakes and a race face Chester stem. The Risk headset. I'm running 2.6 tires in the front, Goodyear Newtons. Real nice. Liking them a lot so far. RockShox Judy. And our bolt-on quick release axles. Or I guess bolt-on axles. Yeah. Did a little DIY and cut a plastic folder with a template that I found for our mud guard. And running down, I have a Bontrager seat. Not really sure what the model is, but mine got a rip in it, the stock seat, and that was a quick fix from a bike swap. Running the KS E10 dropper. The Gnopper 1x crankset with the JG bike 32 tooth round. The Chester pedals. Quick back up to here, running the Advent 9 speed micro shift, and that has been awesome. And to accompany that, I have the 9-speed derailleur with the clutch, and the cassette I'm running is the micro shift 46 tooth to 11, and that's been working really well. Stock rims still. I am running tubeless. Still stock brake rotors, so they're still 160. There she is. Leave a comment. Let me know what you're running these days. Thanks for stopping by.